The state government will table the report of the Judicial Inquiry Commission on the killing of former Hinyotrap National Liberation Council leader Chesterfield Thank on the first day of the autumn session of the State Assembly, which will begin from 9th of September. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said the Inquiry Commission report has to be first placed in the table of the House and thereafter, from that very day, it will be in the public domain. He urged the public to be patient and said the Judicial Inquiry Commission and Inquiry Committee is different. The commission that is guided by the Act, there are standing guidelines.
The Inquiry Commission report has to be, first of all, placed on the table of the House, and thereafter, from that very day itself, it will become a public property. It will be in the public domain. So I told them, please wait, because the autumn session will start from 9th of September. And BAC next week we will sit down, we will work out the business of the session. It is confirmed that the session will start from the 9th, and on that very same day itself, the report will be placed on the table of the House.